Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bria. If this is your first time here, so today I am creating a Valentine's Day look. So it is finally February, the month of love. So I decided to create a Valentine's Day tutorial for you guys using a new product. So if you're interested in learning how to create this look, keep watching. As you can see, I've already prepped my face with foundation, concealer, contour. So I'm just going to jump right into the eyes. Again, this is just going to be a Valentine's Day look, and I wanted to focus mostly on my eyes because I do love eyeshadow. That is one of my favorite things about makeup. So let's see what I'm going to do. I want to try something different. I wore it on my birthday. So I'm going to try to use this product again this time. Using the Perception palette from ColourPop, the Shayla times ColourPop collection. I'm going to first take Revenge, this color right here, and using my Sigma E40 brush, I'm going to sweep that back and forth in my crease. Ooh, wait. So I'm going to prime my lids with the Urban Decay Eden Eyeshadow Primer. So using my Sigma F70 brush, I'm going to blend and smooth this all over the lid. So I'm going to now take Revenge and sweep that back and forth. Next, I'm going to take Played Out, this brown shade right here. So I'm going to use like a glitter product on my lid. So it's a rose gold color. So I'm only doing 2 colors in my crease today. I could have put Culture, is that what it is? Yeah, I could have used Culture, but I figured I'd just jump right in. Culture probably would have helped with me using too much primer. Here's the product that I'm going to use. It's something new to you guys, old to me, new to you, but it's the Stila Wanderlust. It is the liquid eyeshadow, I believe. Yeah, the Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. I really like this color. Like I said, I used it on my birthday and it was so gorgeous. You can either wear it as by itself, as a lid shade, or as an eyeshadow base. So the first time I used it by itself. I just put on my lid and cut the crease. Today, I think I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow base. So what I'm going to do is, and this is the applicator. This is what it looks like. If you guys can see that. This is cold. Just sweep it across your eye. And if you happen to get some in your crease, that's fine. You can just cover it up or clean it up when you get done. With the, I use a different brush to help me clean it up. It's perfect for any type of date night, a party, even Valentine's Day. It's just real subtle if you just wear it by itself. So this is what it looks like if you wear it by itself. But like I said, I am going to add a shade on top of it to make it pop. I think I'm going to try Strut and Slay. Okay. So I'm going to take Strut and Slay. Wait, yeah, that's right. I'm going to take Strut and Slay and apply that to the top using the other side of my Sigma F70 brush. My brow bone highlight, I'm actually going to do TF I think. Let's see what TF looks like. So this gold shade here, I'm going to use TF. See what that looks like. I'm just going to lightly touch it. Put on both sides. And this is my MAC 266 brush. And then I'm going to take the MAC 217, I think, and just blend that in. So for my inner corner, I'm going to take Unbothered. It is this pretty shade right here. You can kind of hardly see it. It's just a really pearl, almost whitish looking color. And I'm just going to pop that right in the inner corner right here. Just a little pop of color right there. So you can kind of tell a little bit that I put a color right there, not too much. I didn't want to overdo it. I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs gel crayon in Blacker and line my lower lash line. I don't know if I'm going to smudge anything just yet. I haven't decided. Yeah, I'm not going to smudge anything. It's fine. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Big Shot. This is the Makeup Time Shayla, the Baddest Black. If they happen to be out of the Baddest Black in a store, you can of course get the Very Black, I think. Maybelline Big Shot, Very Black. So if you're into falsies, of course you could use a nice false lash. A little dramatic flare and wisp going on. I'm going to add a little bit more highlight and maybe some blush. Like I said, I contoured and bronzed already. So I'm just going to add a little highlight and a little blush. So I'm literally probably going to do this right here. Literally not even going to dip my brush back in there. This foundation here, when I tell you, is matte. So I use the Bobbi Brown foundation, the Skin Longwear Weightless foundation. It is full coverage. It is mattifying. Of course, I get oily around my T-zone, but I'm matte. Not a bad thing. I've just not used to being this matte. So if you have oily skin and you're looking for a matte foundation, like a true matte foundation, the Bobbi Brown is it. The Skin Longwear Weightless one is it. The other one is has a more dewy finish. Take the Smith 109 brush and just highlight right there on my nose and right here. And then I'm gonna highlight down here. I'm going to take my ColourPop cheek brush and apply the MAC Sweetest Cocoa. Just a little bit. So for my lips, this is the MAC Prep and Prime Lip. And I did buy another one, but I left it in the car and I'm not going to get it. So I am going to do a nude lip. When I have a dramatic eye, sometimes I'll go all out and do a dramatic lip too, but I'm going to keep it simple today and use one of my favorite lip combinations. So I'm going to take MAC Cork Lip Liner. I wonder if it's back in stores. I remember somebody had tweeted, it might have been Makeup Shayla, had tweeted scaring me saying that MAC Cork Lip Liner, they were getting rid of it. That MAC was getting rid of Cork Lip Liner. And I was like, what? I'm sad. Like, I need a day of bereavement. Like, they can't get rid of Cork. Not when it's my new favorite with this lip combo that I'm finna show y'all. So I go ahead and fill it in for most of the way. Go ahead and blot it too. But yeah, so I thought they were getting rid of Cork, and they claim that they're not. I guess they're just out of stock. I don't know. I can't remember, but a lot of people are upset and tweeting about it and saying, no, I hope it's not true, but they said it's not. For my lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC times Aaliyah collab. It is shade Try Again. This is a matte lipstick. It is a nude, and I love it. Love it, love it. So much that I bought another one. 2 more. They sent out that email saying that, you know, MAC goodbyes, get them 40% off. And when this was in there, I was like, yeah, you need to get you 2 more because you love it. You love this combo too much. Blot it to blend it. One thing I do like about MAC is that when they have these collections and collabs that drop, sometimes they'll have what's called a sister shade. So if you don't get this color, you can get one that's real close to it and still be able to slay just the same. Now I'm gonna take Chestnut, right? My other favorite. This is like one of the first lip liners I ever used when I started doing my makeup. But now I'm gonna go back over it with this just lightly because this one is dark. I've worn this so many times this fall and winter. So now you get to see it on my channel. Do I want to add gloss? Let's go ahead and see what it looks like with gloss. So again, my favorite lip combo. Here it is right here before I add gloss. All right, so it's the MAC Cork Lip Liner, then the MAC Aaliyah Try Again lipstick, and then I went back over it with the Chestnut Lip Liner just to give it a little subtle darkness or make it pop a little bit more. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of gloss. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is the original one. I like it. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know in the comments what you think about this look. Do you think this will be good for a Valentine's Day look for you, a date night, or even just going a night on the town in general? Shout out to DOS Couture for this shirt. It says fierce. I love it. You make sure to check them out. The link will be in the description box. But yeah, lots of women empowerment and just love the shirts. Always cute. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow me on social media and subscribe to my channel. The link will be in the description box along with all the products that I use. And remember, be confident, smile, and slay.